Question 6 is 5 marks. It's 3 parts. Part A is 1 mark. It says write down the value of 5 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. 1 mark already. Now let's look at question B. 5 to the power of 9. Let me just zoom in. 5 to the power of 9 times 5 to the power of -3 divided by 5 to the power of -2 equals 5 to the power of k. Find the value of k. This is indices. So 5 to the power of 9 times 5 to the power of -3 divided by 5 to the power of -2 equals. The law of indices says you add these if there is multiplication. It's going to be 5 to the power of 9 plus -3 divided by 5 to the power of -2. That's equals. What's 5 to the power of 9 plus -3? 9 plus -3 is just like 9 minus 3, so it's 5 to the power of 6 divided by 5 to the power of -2. And also the law of indices says if there is division, you subtract the indices. So this will be 5 to the power of 6 minus this. This is also minus. So it's 6 minus -2, which is 6 plus 2, which is 8. So it's 5 to the power of 8, and that means this equals to 5 to the power of k. Find the value of k. The 5 equals to the 5. That means k equals 8. And that's your 2 marks, I think, for this part. Yeah, it's 2 marks. Now the last part says simplify fully. Simplify indices also. The first thing, we split this 3 here, here, and there. We give each one of these a 5, a 3. So the first part will be 2 to the power of 3. The second part will be d to the power of 4 to the power of 3. The last part is e to the power of 5 to the power of 3. And that's equals 2 to the power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. It's 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. D to the power of, if you have 2 indices, you multiply them. So we multiply 4 times 3 is 12. So it's going to be d to the power of 12. E to the power of, you have 2 indices, 5 times 3. It's 15, isn't it? So it's going to be 8 d to the power of 12, e to the power of 15. We got these nice 5 marks. How was it? Was it easy? Please be calm. Don't get scared. Don't get distracted or confused. These things are easy. You can do it.